Hey guys, I'm just going to show you today how to find out C, which is after you've anti-differentiated your problem. This is your C, okay? Let's do a few examples here. I'm going to just take out a quick example. Let's say I tell you the derivative of an equation is equal to 1 on x squared. So derivative of something is going to give you 1 on x squared. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so y equals to something. The derivative of that is going to give you 1 on x squared. Right? The other piece of information that I'm going to give you is I'm going to say, well, when y is equal to 1, then x also equals to 1. Okay? Now here's the thing. You cannot find out C without this extra piece of information here. Okay? Because remember, what I've just done is I've given you the derivative of an equation. I don't know what that equation is. That's something I don't know. But I know the derivative will give me 1 on x squared. But I also know that originally, if I had y is equal to 1, then x will equal to 1. Okay, so my job right now is to find out, well, what does y equal to? Now we know that if you derive it, it gives you 1 on x squared. Then if you anti-derive 1 on x squared, it'll give you your function. Okay, so let's find out the antiderivative, because y will equal to the antiderivative of 1 on x squared dx. Okay, well, this is just doing what I showed in the last video. Let's find out the antiderivative. This is the same thing as writing x to the power of negative 2 dx, because remember, our rule over here, we'd like it if it was x to the power of n, not 1 over x squared. Okay? So by changing that now, I can actually use the rule. According to the rule, a, which is currently 1, x to the power of negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1. If you're confused, this is the rule in the previous video. Okay? Then you've also got plus c. So this is going to give me what y is equal to. So anti-deriving it, y is equal to negative 2 plus 1, which is just x negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. So therefore, y must equal to negative 1 on x c. Okay, because x to the power of negative 1 is 1 on x. Okay? The problem is I don't know what plus c is right now. C is something I don't know, so I actually still haven't got my equation. But don't you worry, remember they told you that when y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. Well, I've got my equation here. This is y. Okay, not dy dx. I'm not looking for this. I'm looking for y. So y is apparently 1 when x is 1. So if I substitute those in, I've got 1 equals to negative 1 over 1 plus c, and solving for this, this gives me 1. Negative 1, 1 plus c, so c must equal 1 plus 1, 2. What does that tell me? That just tells me now that the equation y is equal to negative 1 on x plus c, which in this case is plus 2. So this is my original function. This is the original function. If I found the derivative of this, dy dx should equal to negative 1 on x squared. Again, you can try that yourself using the power rule as well. Okay? But that's what you're really doing for the next part. So that's my video there, just to find out C. Now the only way to find out C is if they give you that extra piece of information. Alright? But that's as simple as it is. That's how you find out C. And that's 23B question 2. So have a look at that, have a try. Some of them are bizarre only because you've got a lot of fractions to work with. But otherwise the concept is just the same. Nothing harder. Alright?